Good evening, everyone. I had one quick tip that I forgot to share with you that I wanted to hop on and do real quick. So, as a lot of you know, I do a project recipe class once a month. We've kind of turned it into a hybrid event where if you buy whatever the new collection is, this week we're doing Endless Meadows. You get the class for free and we do 8 pages. 2 of those pages are a project recipe that Creative Memories has put together. So this is an example of a project recipe. So they show you what the finished product's going to look like. They show you how to lay it out without the papers, so you can see a version without what they have chosen. And they show you how to cut it all up. Okay, so the cool thing about this, as you can see what this version looks like, right? This is using Devotion and the heart chain punch. But look at this. I used it with Sparks of Magic and the camera chain. It's hard to see that you can see it. Looks cute, right? And totally different, by the way. Okay? But then I also used it with some Seaside and a little mixture of Wanderlust with this is the cable chain. Again, looks totally different. And finally, I used the rope, and this is Wanderlust. So, same recipe. Same cutting instructions. You'll be a pro by the time you're done. And you can make 6 totally different pages out of the same recipe. So, coming to my classes, if you buy the collection, it's free. If you want to come and use your stash, it's $10. And as you can see, you'll get a lot of worth out of it, because there's 6 more that I make up in addition to this. So, I wanted to give you that little tip. I hope you all have a good evening and hope to see you sometime at one of my events this week.